Hi guys, this is Shasha Sai from Intech English. I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon for more interesting updates. If you did that, so let's get started. Hey guys, how are you all? I pray and hope you're awesome. And after a long time, I'm back with this video because I was preparing for my annual examinations. But now, let's get out of that. Now we all know that we Indians are locked down till April 14 and it may increase or decrease, we don't know. And for someone who are not like me, you must be bored to stay at home. So I offer some ways to throw out the bore away and start enjoying these days. But before we get started, I request you to follow all the rules which are told by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So I hope you will be following those. Without any further ado, let's get started. Read some books. I know. You may hear this a little bit boring, but you know something? The habit of reading books gonna change your life. The successful people read books at least 2 hours a day. But for this, you need not go for any library or purchase from online. You may find at least one book at your home. If you don't, then go for ebooks from which you can read only from your handset itself. That's pretty easy. Now in the current situation, it's good to be active on social media because you can know what's going on out, the latest news, and wait, a huge request for the posters on social media. Please don't create fake news. This may create an annoying environment in the current situation. That's gonna be very annoying. Sowing seeds may give you some happiness. It may give you fruits or vegetables. But a huge request on this too. Don't go out for purchasing seeds or planting seeds. Just sow the seeds only if you have seeds and the garden at your home. If you don't, I got some more things to do out there. Just watch the video till the end to get them. Watching movies may give you a great entertainment and also pass the time, but watching good movies may give you some knowledge. But that's up to your choice. You can watch movies on TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, YouTube, or maybe other sites too. If you are a kid watching this video, then I got a great news for you. Amazon Prime has given Prime movies for free for kids. You can check that out on the Amazon Prime Video app or website or even on the TV if you are having a smart TV. This is quite helpful for you. If you have interest to learn anything new, then I have you covered. This is a great chance for learning new skills. Learn programming. It's a top rated job according to US News 100 Best Jobs for 2020 with an average salary of about 76,67,000 approximately. Or learn web designing or something that may interest you. To learn any new skill, you need not go out for tuition, something like that. But there are useful websites to train you like Skillshare.com, Udemy, or even maybe YouTube. This is one of the good suggestions for you. There are some websites like Swagbucks, MailRupee which pay you for completing tasks. Or you can even freelance using freelancer.com using any skill that you have. The people who want the job to be done, they visit the website and hire the people, and you may be hired in that process too. That's a good idea. Playing games may interest you a lot more than anything else. Sit at home and start playing, but don't go outside for playing outdoor games like cricket or soccer or football. play indoor games like chess or carom or any game on your smartphone itself. Let me go and know in the comment section below that which game you want to play, and keep playing that. Drop down in the comment section below, guys. Don't forget that. I just want to know that. Friends and families are more important than anything else in the world. By having a chat with them, relationship increase. And again, don't visit other houses to have a chat. Talk to the people who are inside your home, or call them on phone and talk to them. But do notice that a long talk on mobile phone can radiate you. So keep that in mind and call for somebody else and talk to them. Finally, in the situation we are in, we need to pray for everyone that they should be good. This is so important, and do remember that to follow the orders and requests given by the government. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then smash the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos, and stay home and stay safe. Take care, guys, and don't forget to drop the game which you play in these holidays in the comment section below. Thank you.